With features like timers, scheduling, and motion sensors, smart light switches help optimize energy usage in our house. Not only that, you can also manage your lights remotely, even when you're away from home. Whether it's a cozy movie night or a vibrant party, these lights give us complete control over the lighting atmosphere. So, if you have smart lights in your home and looking for an even smarter way to control these lights, here are a few of our recommendations.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
If you're looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's lighting system, then budget smart light switches are the best solution. While they may not have all the advanced features of higher-priced options, these smart light switches still offer essential functionalities such as scheduling, dimming, and energy-saving capabilities. Keeping that in mind, for our first budget-friendly smart switch, we have the one from Meros. It supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and can be controlled through the app directly, even from the outside. Similarly, you could also check out the basic single-pole smart switch from Amazon, another affordable smart switch that you will easily find online. Just like the one before, this one also supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and yes, it supports Alexa voice control as well. So if you're looking for a budget alternative option, then this might be a great one to look forward to. Talking about Alexa, a voice control assistant is a mandatory function, because being a smart light switch means a smarter way to control the lights around your home. And voice command is honestly the most convenient way to control the lights. To ensure this level of convenience, Brilliant brought their smart dimmer switch, which is fully compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit as well. So it doesn't matter which ecosystem you're using at your home, you can just pair it with any of them and it will work just fine whenever you're giving a voice command. Additionally, you can also set timers in the dedicated app, for example, to wake you up in the morning or at night while going to bed. On the other hand, Kasa HS200 is also a pretty decent smart switch controller which features both Alexa and Google Home compatibility, including the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Similarly, this one also has dedicated app support featuring remote control, schedules, away mode, and a few other personalization settings. So whether you choose the Brilliant dimmer or Kasa HS200 smart switch, both will ensure superior voice control over your lights at home. Okay, now say goodbye to traditional buttons and knobs. These sleek and modern switches put control at your fingertips with their intuitive touchscreen interface. It allows users to adjust the lights effortlessly with a simple tap, swipe, or slide. You can also set the perfect ambience for any occasion, dim the lights to your liking, and even explore a spectrum of colors if the switch supports it. Check out the Orvivo MixPad D1, featuring a 1.9-inch touchscreen display. It has a built-in voice intercom that allows users to communicate from one device to another if they own more than one. Here's another impressive 5-inch touchscreen switch from Brilliant, which comes with a 4-way switch panel. Apart from just the lights, you will also be able to control other smart home appliances such as smart cameras, speakers, and other necessary devices, all thanks to its beautifully organized touchscreen display. And yes, it does have voice control support and a dedicated app for additional control. These light switches are definitely worth it if you're looking for one with some extra perks. Now that you've seen switches with a touchscreen, let's take a look at the ones with remote options. If you're thinking these switches come with separate remote control, then you're wrong, because the entire switch is a remote itself. Yes, you can just pull it out from the board and use it as a remote as well. This Philips Hue Smart Dimmer switch is a clear example of this. It magnetically connects with the plates and can be used with a battery while in portable usage mode. And the other one is from Orvivo, which can be controlled in 3 ways: wiring switch, the wireless remote mode, which we talked about before, and a dedicated app. Besides, this switch is fully compatible with Alexa as well, so you can also easily control your lights with a simple voice command. And finally, we have the motion sensor switches. These are pretty cool ones that make your life even easier and smarter. These nifty devices can magically control your lights and appliances based on your movements. Take a look at the Kasa Smart Switch and Leviton Decora. Apart from just motion detection, these switches also include smart ambient light detection. so it can sense both day and night. And based on the light level, it automatically adjusts its brightness levels. In short, if you're looking for advanced smart light switches, then you should definitely check it out. So these were some of our recommendations for the best smart light switches.